Man, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's time to get down to business today. Now, a lot of you want to start making money online. A lot of you want to start making a lot of money online. And a lot of you think it takes millions and millions of followers to make money online. Well, I'm here to simply tell you, you don't need any of that. All you need is a personal brand. And a lot of you may even think a personal brand takes years to build. That's wrong. It does not take years to build. All you need is 30 days. So stick around this video and I'm gonna show you guys how to build and make a profitable personal brand in just 4 weeks, 30 days, simply that. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Reese in the Cut. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know our goal to hit 30,000 subscribers. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you guys got the opportunity, hit the hype button so this video can reach all different platforms. You know what I'm saying? Further ado, let's hop straight into it, dog. So like I said, right? A lot of you are here because you want a personal brand, right? But you may not be that confident. I'm about to change that today. You feel what I'm saying? We finna talk some business. I'm gonna tell you guys in just 4 steps in 4 weeks how you guys can turn your personal brand into a 6-figure personal brand, 5-figure, however far you want to take it. It all depends on how much work you're going to put in. You feel what I'm saying? But everything in this world requires a little bit of hard work. But it ain't gonna take that long if y'all follow these steps. Cause I know I did it in literally just 3 months. I got my personal brand rocking in 3 months. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, first off, week number 1. Not sure if you guys can see the whiteboard, but week number 1. The first thing, what we are looking for week number 1 is define and position, right? We're defining ourselves. What are we about? Who are we? This is the introduction. It's like a book. It's like the first chapter, right? This is the table of contents. You feel what I'm saying? We finna tell everybody what we about. You feel what I'm saying? Your brand is not your logo. You know what I'm saying? It's the promise that you make and the promise that you're gonna keep. Because when you start your personal brand, you are offering services, right? You want to profit, right? So basically what you're doing is you're making a promise to a specific group of people that you gotta stand on it. You know what I'm saying? These people, they chose you. You're the chosen one. You know what I'm saying? They coming to you for a certain problem, so it's up to you, right? You know what I'm saying? So basically, first off, you got to pick what you're doing. Pick your niche. You know what I'm saying? A niche is simply just the style of your content, the style of whatever you're trying to pitch. Simple as that. You feel what I'm saying? Identify your audience. Whatever you are doing, you need to pick a certain audience that you know, that you have enough knowledge in, that you can help these people out. Study the problems that go on inside that niche. You feel what I'm saying? Let's say, like, if you're gonna do cars, what you need to do is you need to figure out what are the biggest problems that people are having inside of the car niche. And those are gonna be that's your target audience. That's gonna be your specific audience. So whenever this certain group of people or people on the internet have a problem with their car, they're gonna come to you, right? Because that's what you're pitching. That's the niche that you chose and the problem that you chose to solve. Now, just because you choose one problem does not mean you have to stay and solve one problem. You soon start to be able to branch off. You feel what I'm saying? And basically, it's just you creating like a method for people, you know what I'm saying, for people's problems. As simple as that. You feel what I'm saying? Like, example, I help 9-to-5 workers build and save more income, right? What I did was I came online. I didn't just want to do finance. I wanted to do a specific thing in finance. You feel what I'm saying? I have a lot of experience with 9-to-5 jobs and how to save income from 9-to-5 jobs and how to make a lot of money from 9-to-5 jobs. You feel what I'm saying? So what I did was, that was my target audience, right? Bringing in those people. Then I started to branch off to other topics, right? Just because you solve one problem don't mean you have to stay on that same problem, right? So now that you have came in, introduced yourself, picked a niche, found the problem inside that niche that is very trending. You feel what I'm saying? You need a trending topic, right? When I chose finance as my niche, 9 to 5, saving money at a 9 to 5 and making money as a 9 to 5 worker was a trending niche. People were really having problems doing that. So you need to find what is the biggest problem. You feel what I'm saying? That's what you need to try to go for, to make the most money, to get the most sales, the most leads, and the most clicks and most views. All right. So which leads us to week number 2. You need to build your foundation. This is where you start to build your foundation, right? Simply, now we turn clarity into content and credibility. Simple as that, right? Set up your online presence. Make your YouTube channel. Make your TikTok. Make your Instagram. Set up your personal brand, right? This is where you're actually going to make the channel. You feel what I'm saying? And set everything up, right? Your bio. Make it look professional. Make it look very marketable. You feel what I'm saying? Make it to where someone is looking on your page and they like, okay, I like what this person got going on. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tap in, right? Make yourself look really good on there. You know what I'm saying? Make yourself look creditable. Simple as that, right? You know what I'm saying? You choose your 3 pillars. You know, start posting 3 to 5 times a week. You feel what I'm saying? Educate, inspire, and relate to the people, right? Why I say educate, inspire, and relate? Because you need to start building, like, what's it called? You need to start building a relationship with your target audience, right? Because people are not just gonna buy from a random person. You feel what I'm saying? People are gonna buy from people that they trust. They know they got their best interests, and they know that they're not just all about it for the money. You feel what I'm saying? Like, this is something, building a personal brand is also something that you have to be passionate about. There's no way that you can teach something every single day if you're not passionate about it. You're going to burn out because you may not see money like that. You feel what I'm saying? Like what I do. You guys see me on this platform every single day because this is something that I actually lived through. I actually lived through struggling at a 9 to 5 job. I actually lived through saving money at a 9 to 5 job, and I found it tough. So these are things that I'm actually passionate about, right? So that's what it, remember, you gotta be passionate about this shit too. So if you're not passionate, you probably barking up the wrong tree. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, a pro tip, this is a tip I got for you guys. When you're posting your content, like I said, 3 to 5 videos a week, post short form content to drive attention, and long form content to build trust, right? Basically, your short form content, that's literally just to get the subscribers, the views, and to get people drawn to your YouTube channel. Like, that's why you need to be clipping high valuable, high retention clips. You know what I'm saying? That's simply what short form content is for. It's not to make money off of, because trust and believe, there's not a lot of money inside of short form content. I'm sorry. Unless you're getting millions of views per video. But otherwise else, the money is in the long form content. The short form content is simply just your marketing tool. It's simply just so people can come to your channel. You feel what I'm saying? So then they can watch the long form videos, because that's basically what a YouTube short is. You clip in your long form content into short form content, so they be like, okay, I like what this person talk about. I'm gonna go and watch the entire video now. Which you got revenue from that short form content, and now you're getting your full pay cut down from your long form, because that's what a real dough come as, the long form content. So now, week number 3, we almost there, y'all. Stay with me. Now this is where you build your trust and you start to build your community. All right, this is where everything is starting to the rise and climax. We almost there, right? People buy from people, not brands. Remember that. Remember that quote. People buy from people, not brands. People don't care about your brand. People care about the person who is selling the brand. Okay? You feel what I'm saying? So you have to build, like I said in week 2, you got to build that trust. You got to have they have to know that you have their best interests. Reply to comments. You feel what I'm saying? DM people. Talk to people. Don't be a robot. Don't come on the internet and be a robot. Be friendly. Build trust with your community. Make friends. These are the people you are selling to. No one's not gonna want to sell to someone who's an asshole who thinks they're bigger than the program. Nobody want to sell to nobody like that. I mean, buy for people like that. They do not want to buy no one's products who think that they're just better than them, right? A lot of people, they mess with me because I encourage saving money from a 9 to 5. I encourage going through hard times. I encourage things at that level, right? So a lot of the things I talk about, they can relate to. I'm not coming on here talking about, oh, if you don't drive a Lamborghini, you're not living life. No one wants to watch that shit. I'm not on here talking about, oh yeah, I got my own crib at 21 years old. You're a 21-year-old, you're a loser. No, make people feel good about themselves, bro. Like, what be wrong with people? Y'all be coming on the internet to shit on people. Don't if you want to build a profitable personal brand, stop coming on the internet shitting on people, man. Be relatable, inspire people, and motivate. Okay, and then people, they gonna buy from you, dog, and they gonna watch your videos. Okay, so yeah, so start to email people back. Tell your story. Be authentic. This is your time to open up to your community so they can buy whatever you're selling. You know what I'm saying? I open up all the time on my channel. Like stories where I used to DoorDash, stories where I've been fired from jobs. I mean, let go from jobs, where I've been broke. You know what I'm saying? You need to let the people know that you were in their position before. Because trust me, everybody's been there before. Everybody. And that's what makes it passionate. That's what makes your personal brand passionate. All right? Simple as that. Now, week 4, last but not least, this is where you can now monetize and scale, right? This is where you built the trust in the community. You got the people on your side. You now can start to create a simple offer, right? Whether it's coaching, digital products, affiliate links, mentorships, packages, or just you can stick to basic content if you're just eating off that. But I advise you to start to branch out. Like I'm about to start branching out. Like I just started my mentorship program. If you guys want to be in the mentorship program, we got clients joining daily. My email is in my bio, ballguy165@gmail.com. Prices are pretty good. You know what I'm saying? What I'm gonna be doing is be sitting down on the video call with you guys, talking about your guys' problems, what you can do to save more money, invest money, the whole you did. You feel what I'm saying? Like, this is where you can start to make your offer, right? Test your audience interest with a soft call to action. You feel what I'm saying? Don't push them too hard. Don't tell them, oh, you're a loser if you don't join my mentorship. No, just ease it. Trust me, you may not get sales overnight. You may not get clients overnight. But as you start to build and build more and more trust, then people, they're going to be like, okay, I really mess with this dude. I would love for him to be my mentor. I would love to buy his ebook to really better my life. You feel what I'm saying? Simple as that. Gather testimonials. Like, testimonials is a big thing when you have a personal brand. Basically, a testimonial is like somebody that you helped out, and you feel me? You basically like say, you tell that person like, hey, tell everybody else like how my mentorship was, how you were able to benefit off my digital product, benefit from my content, benefit from my mentorship program. And then other people, they're gonna come like, okay, you know what I'm saying? Then they tell their story like, hey, this happened to me, but I joined so-and-so's mentorship program and it changed my life completely. That's simply a testimonial. You feel what I'm saying? So it's just stuff like that. And then reinvest the profits, to better content, better branding, and stuff simple as that, right? So simple as that, man. That's how you build up a profitable personal brand in simply 30 days. Now, if you commit to this 30-day plan, you'll have a brand that brings attention, clicks, and results instantly, bruh. This, this can't be patched. Simple as that, dog. But you gotta be patient. Patience and passionate. Be passionate and be patient. Simple as that. PNP. Hold it down. Alright? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. If you guys are touched by this video, I really hope you guys are working on your personal brands. Hope you guys staying disciplined on your 90-day runs. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all see, I've been in the gym, man. You know, I'm getting swole on them. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm not playing. I may even drop a gym digital product to show you guys my workout routine. I'll be seeing some of y'all in the comment section like, Reese, what's your workout routine? You getting big, man. Trust, man. I'm gonna drop it. From the nutrition to the fitness, I got y'all, man. Trust me. I'm hustling just like how y'all hustling, man. I'm out here trying to sell products digital products. I'm helping people out. You know what I'm saying? I love this. I love the hustle, dog. Social media is a hustle, and I've been a hustler my whole life, and I love this shit. So I know I'll be back with more content, man. I love y'all. Stay up, stay disciplined, man. Hey, ski.